still fly, I know. I'm still fly, let's go.
Guys, I'm Emma.
Hey guys, I'm John, and we're Emma and John, you're welcome.
Welcome back if you've been here before, and if you're brand new,
welcome.
Hello. We are visiting an interesting pub today.
We are. We said we wanted to come to this pub about 3 years ago.
I reckon it might even be longer than that. We're in the village of Nunney.
We are.
Which we visited Nunney Castle.
Yep.
I think it must be 4 years. I'll leave the video linked. We didn't even do it in a separate video. It was in like a vlog.
Yeah, it was amazing. So go and check it out. The castle is amazing.
One of my favourite castles, actually.
Yeah.
So I don't know how well we did on that video, but if you're interested, it's there. So we're visiting the George Inn today.
We are, yes. I'm really excited about this pub. A lot of history, a lot of ghost stories that will tell you.
Yeah. The village is, I don't know if you can hear it, but it is currently raining.
Absolutely cracking it down.
So we'll get some clips if we can. But the village of Nunney is teeny tiny.
Yeah, it is.
It was voted one of the prettiest villages in the UK in 2007.
It was. I can definitely see why. It was absolutely gorgeous here. Obviously today is not the best day because it's raining.
It's lovely weather if you're a duck.
But it's still gorgeous. Yeah. I like to live here.
So just gonna head in, grab a drink, maybe some chips.
Yes, we'll have a little look.
But yeah, because we said we wanted to go there and we were driving past, it seemed silly not to. This is a cross for the market when the market used to be here. Like I said, lovely weather for a duck. But this was one of my favourite things about it when I'm not going to step on that, it looks slippy. But one of my favourite things when we came last time, it was super sunny and all the ducks were just playing. You can see them playing over there.
It's still nice.
That there is Nunney Castle. It's an English heritage castle and it's free to enter.
It's amazing. It's a really nice castle. Yeah, go and check out the video if you haven't seen it because it's an awesome castle.
Yeah.
Really.
And it's haunted.
It is haunted. Yes.
It has this cool outside seating area which would be so nice in the summer.
You see the castle as well.
You see the castle and also the river and a little waterfall. Yeah, it'd be so nice. Right, but we're getting...
here all day.
Yeah. So the bar we showed you outside, the metal rod with the George Inn sign on it, that is what makes this building a listed building. It runs through the cottages on the other side as well. And that's from when the building was built. It would have been used by travelling judges. So they would have made their decision on whether you were guilty or not. And if you were guilty and you were really bad, they would hang people there. So, yeah, but they kept it there obviously for history, but I imagine it gets pretty spooky under there at night.
I love that.
We got some drinks. I got a Diet Coke, John got a
6x packet of crisps.
Yeah, they do serve food here. It doesn't look like they're serving at the moment.
No, it's super nice in here though.
Yeah.
Really, really nice pub. But the beam and we can just see it there.
Oh yeah, you can see it through the window.
Sometimes you can hear creaks and people screaming, that sort of, and obviously it doesn't take a genius to work it out. That's the ghosts from the people that apparently were killed from here being guilty.
Yeah.
How creepy is that?
It is creepy because like back in the day, people would have come to watch that
Absolutely,
as well.
yeah.
Oh.
How creepy is that? But yeah, super nice pub. We've got a nice pint of 6x. We'll show you around in the pub in a minute, but I love it at the moment.
And we met a nice dog.
Yes, we did. So that's Nunney back in May 1948. How tiny that village was. That's amazing. Love that.
John has a special origami skill I'd like to show you.
But not that special, but it used to annoy me and my family when you used to come to the pub and you see the crisp wrapper like underneath something is or just tucked on the side, it's just untidy. So we come up with, I didn't come up with it, family came up with it or someone came up we used to know, but we all do it now, so just a nice tidy way to keep a crisp wrapper at a pub's table, not getting anyone's way. It's nice and neat.
The tongue on the side of your mouth, that helps with concentration.
There we go. Nice and neat triangle rather than untidy packet of crisps just tied right there.
Wow. So the George Inn was built in the 17th and 18th century as a place that travelling judges can come, and it was just an inn, so they would come here and do all of the business in a pub essentially, which is not the best place for people to be making decisions that affect your life. But okay, yeah, they would come in. But now it's Wadsworth. Is it Wadsworth?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a Wadsworth brewery pub, and they do feed as well. It's got 10 bedrooms and it's a hotel, and they also have holiday cottages, which is super cute. And so it takes up like nearly the whole road, which is cool. The walls are nice and thick, so you get no phone signal in here.
Like I've said before, in a building this old, if the walls can talk, the stories they could tell us would be amazing. What's happened here, what crimes they were done, what they committed and get hanged from. Oh, it would be amazing if you could find out.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd want to know.
Oh, I would. It'd be amazing.
But yeah, this looks like some of the original brickwork.
Absolutely. It's a really nice pub. I'll show you around in there. But it's not for me. I hate quizzes. But if you really, really wanted to come here and do a quiz every other Monday, you could.
Wow.
It's amazing. I love these pubs, but it does got a certain feel to it, especially when you come to a village this small. It's all the locals, and you walk in, and they all stop talking and they look at you. I love it. It doesn't bother me. I used to like live in a village, but it does that feel like, what are you doing here? You've got out of townies.
Yeah.
But they're all very nice. They are lovely people, and they've been very polite and nice. But
I don't think
new
John,
people.
Yeah, I don't think John can be classed as a townie anyway. It looks like they do barbecues. In the summer, we've got a barbecue around there. There's people sat at the bar, so I didn't want to go and bother them. It's just there, and it goes like around.
Yeah, it does. It's a really nice bar. It's a really nice pub. This. I really like it.
The bar's quite small.
It is quite small, yeah. It would have been nice to have some food and some dinner here, but I don't think he's serving it at the moment. What's a shame, but
We had crisp.
we can definitely come back in the summer and sit outside because that would have been lovely as well.
Yeah, I think I would still prefer to sit out there, but it does look like they do barbecues out there.
They
so.
do, yes, and outside that way is gorgeous as well. Yeah, really nice pub. We'd definitely be back. The beer's gorgeous as well.
We've got one more ghost story for you.
That was really nice.
Yeah.
Seemed like we couldn't have no dinner, but that was really nice in there.
Yeah.
I like that pub. Yeah.
So all of this is the pub,
Yeah.
and I think you go through there for like
The rooms and stuff.
in the car park.
It is nice. It's a nice pub.
So people have lived here at least since the Roman times, and in 1860 they found an urn full of 249 coins that dated back to when the Bonny tribe lived here. So then there's definitely been them and some Romans that have lived here too, and they think maybe some Saxons, because the name Nunney comes from the Saxon word Nunney, which means nunnery, and they think maybe there was a nunnery along the river.
That's mad. That's awesome.
Yeah.
I love that. So there's only 2 pubs in Nunney, and one's derelict now, so really there's only one now.
Yeah, it was the Murret and Turret, which we passed on the way in.
Yeah.
It looks like
It was a massive pub, but it was all boarded up. And, sad, really. Really amazing.
So we chose the one and only pub
We
in
did.
Nunney.
Yeah, really nice. Definitely come here if you can.
Yeah.
I know we keep on mentioning it, but that hanging bar there, I don't think I've ever seen any hanging bar anywhere else.
No, I've only seen it like you see it in films on like the wooden
Yeah.
plinth. I mean, it probably would have had some kind of, I don't
Like
know,
step
stage.
or something. Yeah, I mean, but I don't think I've ever seen anyone else anywhere. Oh, that's what's mad. And I know it's listed, they can't do nothing with it now, but there must have been loads about.
Yeah, there must have been.
And that's the only one can see. That's amazing.
Yeah, well, it looks like that. I know there is one up on the in Salisbury that's a proper.
Yeah.
Like, you
but to look like that,
because that would have had multiple bodies on it.
Absolutely. Yeah, like you see on like Game of Thrones or something. Mad.
It's got quite an impressive church considering how small the town is.
It is. Yeah. They had to sort of stand up to the castle.
Yeah.
So we didn't know what it was. We just had a massive bang of something. It sounds like a
It's
creak.
a ghost.
Well, what else was it? It was a big creak or some noise happened. We both went, "What's that? What is it?" No one knows.
No one knows. We think it's fitting that we're in the car to tell you this last ghost story. So, on the 3-mile road between here and Frome, which is where we got married.
We did, yes.
There is supposed to be a haunting.
Yeah. So all of a sudden you see someone on the side of the road.
Hitchhiking.
Hitchhiking. You drive past because no one picks up this hitchhiker. What's sad, but probably don't do that. And all of a sudden, they appear in the back of your car.
I would just die. Imagine
How
just seeing
amazing
them
is
through
that?
your mirror.
That's awesome.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a scary road to drive down at night because of this hitchhiker that appears and sometimes gets in your back seat.
Yeah.
And that sounds horrid.
And that's the road we've got to go down now. So maybe we have it a visit.
I hope not. Yeah, so that was our time in Nunney and at the George in Nunney.
It was really nice. The pub was amazing. Go and check it out. The village is stunning. I love the village.
Yeah.
Obviously better in the summer when it's not raining. But
yeah, I would
gorgeous.
recommend coming in the summer. It looks like they do lots of jazz evenings and like music evenings there.
If quiz is your thing, they do that as well.
Yeah, a lovely little village pub.
Absolutely, a proper village pub.
Yeah, so thank you so much for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care.
Bye.
Bye.